As a trader, you're always making a lot of decisions. The Signals and Overlay Indicator by LuxAlgo can help you with some of the hardest decision making in trading, and that's when to take trades. By showing you signals that confirm a trend and candle colors that change when trends begin to reverse. It also has more than 6 indicator overlays that can show you areas of support and resistance and find reversal points, as well as signal for continuation of trends. This is an all-in-one solution for traders, and by the time you complete this video, you'll be trading like a pro in no time. First, we'll talk about how this indicator should be used. It can fit any trading style, from scalping to swing trading, and it even has built-in presets for them. You can combine this indicator with other tools and signals in order to get more confluence, resulting in higher quality trade setups. This indicator might feel overwhelming at first because it has a ton of features. I recommend first opening up the indicator yourself and scrolling through the different settings in the tabs. Once you've done that, choose 2 or 3 features that best suit your trading style. To help you figure out what's best for you, we're going to cover everything one by one in this video so that you can truly understand how this indicator works. First up, we have our signal modes. There are 2 main signal methodologies available. Each one fits a different trading style. To make it easy, we'll talk about confirmation and contrarian signals. Confirmation signals are based on a performance adaptive, trend-following methodology. As the name suggests, they aim to confirm any potential action a trader might take and are more effective when used in confluence with other indicators. There are 2 types of confirmation signals: normal signals and strong plus signals. Strong signals are signals that in accordance with the current estimated trend, while normal signals can be caused by a temporary retracement. The confirmation signal mode includes exit signals. These are represented by colored crosses on the chart. A bullish exit signal is displayed as a blue cross, and a bearish one displayed as an orange cross. These signals aim to exit a position based on a previous confirmation signal at the highest possible price to get you the best P&L. But what about contrarian signals? Contrarian signals actually go in the opposite direction to the current market trend. So if you aren't much of a trend follower and like to catch reversals at tops and bottoms, then this mode is the one that might suit you better. Remember that these signals are only used as extra confirmation. Unfortunately, nothing is as easy as buy-sell. But when you get these signals, keep an eye out for other confluences, such as declining volume, or when the signals are generated near a significant support or resistance. These signs can boost our confidence in the signals that we're getting. But wouldn't it be great if the indicator could give us more than just the reversal sign? If you go ahead and enable the AI signal classifier, you'll be adding an adaptive threshold classifier method that rates the signals between 1 and 4, indicating the degree of strength that the signal has created. For confirmation signals, lower numbered signals can be indicative of a signal being caused by a potential reversal or retracement, while higher number signals are more indicative of a trend continuation. When applied to contrarian signals, a low number can actually be suggestive of an early trend with a lower chance of reversal. A higher number tends to occur on more developed trends that have a higher chance of reversal. If you're like me, you probably don't want all these numbers popping up, so you can actually filter out what strength signals you want to appear on your chart in the advanced settings. If you wish to get signals for a shorter term price movement, say you're scalping or looking for a quick swing trade, then you can go into the settings and adjust the signal sensitivity. By default, it's set to 12. Consider decreasing the sensitivity if you're looking for shorter term trades. If you're looking for bigger gains, then increasing it is the way to go. The downside of adjusting signal settings is that the task needs to be constantly repeated due to ever-changing market conditions. Autopilot is a feature that allows the user to avoid adjusting the signal sensitivities completely. It does all the work for you. This setting can be enabled from the advanced settings section. Using Autopilot or the default settings is probably the simplest user experience that you can have. These basically allow you to avoid messing with anything in this indicator and using it right out of the box. Another pioneering feature that LuxAlgo has in this indicator is the candle coloring. This feature allows the user to change the body color of the candles when using candlestick or bar charts. 3 coloring modes are also available. Confirmation Simple being the default one. Confirmation Gradient and Contrarian Gradient are also available. In order to use candle coloring, properly. And to get the best results, make sure you disable the borders within your chart settings. My favorite is the confirmation symbol. This mode uses 3 colors. When green candles are being created, it means that a strong bullish signal is active and that the market is looking for upside. When red candles begin to generate, this signals a strong bearish pressure on the market. Purple candles can suggest a change in trend. Typically you'll see green, purple, red, or red, purple, green when a market trends and reverses. Next up we have confirmation gradient. Lighter green colors indicate very bullish variations, while lighter red colors indicate the opposite. Colors closer to purple indicate that the current variation might be a retracement or that the market is simply ranging. Last but not least, we have the contrarian gradient. Stronger green colors indicate an oversold market and a potential reversal, while stronger red colors indicate an overbought market. Now we're going to take a look at the built-in overlays. This can give you various technical indicators in different formats. First, we're going to talk about Smart Trail. This overlay will give you a trailing stop that diverges from price in the presence of unwanted price variations. An uptrend is indicated when price is above the trailing stop, and in a downtrending market, when price is below that trailing stop. Support is marked in blue and resistance in red. Now to one of my favorite overlays, the reversal zones. When enabled, one upper and lower zone will be displayed on your chart. Each zone is designed to find tops and bottoms whenever the market is ranging or even when it's trending. These zones can be great areas to look to take profit and find early trade entries to use alongside of our contrarian and confirmation signals. A rather unique overlay is the trend tracer. This is a trend following indicator that aims to estimate the underlying trend in price. When the indicator signals an uptrend, it will produce green diamonds. When it begins to trend down, those diamonds turn red. The trend tracer can be used as a trailing support and resistance tool. You can also use it in confluence with our previous confirmation signals by waiting for price to reach the trend tracer in order to enter a trade corresponding to the current confirmation signal. But if those overlays don't tickle your fancy, check out the trend catcher. This is similar to the trend tracer, but it is different in significant ways. This one aims to identify very early trends, and thus it's more reactive. If you're an Ichimoku fan, you'll love the Neo Cloud. This is a simple cloud indicator that can help you identify what direction the market is trending. When price is trading above the cloud can act as support. And when price is trading below the cloud can act as resistance. Moving on from overlays, there's another feature that we can find in the settings, and this is to enable take profit and stop loss levels. This is a really good tool for new traders that are struggling to identify where to place their TPs and SLs. If the most recent signal was bullish, take profits will be located above the price, while stop losses will be located below the price. TPs and SLs can be enabled from the advanced settings as well. The second drop-down menu at the right determines the distance between each point and ranges from 1 to 10. If you're trading large price variations, use a higher setting in the value. If you're looking for smaller scalp trades, use a lower one. So far, everything on this indicator involves you being active at your computer. But there's actually a little secret hidden gem. This indicator has alerts. This will give you the option to get an alert or be notified whenever a specific signal is created, and you can determine what signal that is. So on TradingView, make sure that the Signals and Overlay indicator is enabled on your chart. Then go to Alerts menu at the top right and create a new alert by clicking on the plus symbol. If we click on the condition here, we can see the LuxAlgo Indicator, which is what we want to select. By default, this alert is set to execute any alert function call, but you can choose specific criteria for your alert. So let's say you're looking for a buy signal because you want to go long. Then you should choose any bullish confirmation. Also, make sure to click on once per bar close option. So if you click on create, you'll now see that the alert is active in the alerts log. This means you've done it correctly. Whenever it prints a bullish confirmation signal, it'll send you an alert letting you know. I know that was a lot, but let's put it all together. Let's go over how we would actually use this indicator. If we go to our settings of the indicator and click on the presets, we'll have these options to choose from. Our first example, we're going to use the trend trader. One way we can take trades is by waiting for a trend to be established. So on this chart, we can see that all recent candlesticks are colored green. This suggests to us a strong uptrend. This is also supported by the trend catcher, as it's also in a green color. providing confluence for our bullish signal. Now we're going to wait for the market to tap the blue smart trail and then enter as it prints out a strong buy signal. We can also see that it breaks the previous high with momentum, and now this can turn into a new support level, which will bring higher prices. Then we can look to take profit at a blue exit signal after it prints out the bearish sell signal. If you're more of a short-term scalper, then you can choose another preset in the settings like the scalper mode. This one works on trending markets as well as ranging markets, but it's best used in my opinion in a ranging market. First, wait for the market to reach one of our reversal zones. We can also see that it has taken out the previous high, which is where liquidity was resting. Take it one step further, we can pull out our fib retracement tool, pull it from the swing high to the local swing low, and we can see there is a lot of confluence in this area. So when it prints out a bearish sell signal, that's when we're going to look to enter a short. We'll place our take profit at the green reversal zone, set it and forget it. And this brings us to the end of the video. If you've liked what you've seen in this video, and you're ready to start trading with Signals and Overlay, sign up with LuxAlgo in the video description below. You'll get a 30% discount and you'll help support the creation of more of these videos.